The price of Zilliqa, ZIL/USD, has risen in recent days as investors praise the network's relatively better returns and the expanding non-fungible token, or NFT, market. The ZIL coin is currently trading at 11.45 cents, which is around 30% higher than its lowest point this month. Stay tuned to find out what Vitalik Buterin thinks of Zilliqa and how far ZIL can reach. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Over the last few years, cryptocurrencies have evolved from a niche hobby limited to a few tech-savvy individuals throughout the world to a legitimate asset class recognized by some of the world's top organizations. Cryptocurrency values have skyrocketed in recent months, with numerous cryptocurrencies setting new highs in the March to April 2021 timeframe. However, a relatively unknown cryptocurrency known as Zilliqa crypto has suddenly become popular in the crypto industry. For a long time, Zilliqa has been a doomed blockchain project. As a result, its overall ranking among all cryptocurrencies has been declining. It was one of the top 30 largest cryptocurrency projects in the world at one point. Investors and engineers flocked to Zilliqa because it was the first to use sharding technology. A transaction is sharded when it is divided down into different blocks to make it speedier. Crypto investors and retail traders can communicate with the co-founders and staff of many blockchain initiatives on Twitter. The distinct nature of dialogues between ordinary investors and the teams behind their favorite projects is what distinguishes the cryptoverse and makes it so appealing to many. A prominent Zilliqa community member recently asked Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, why he has yet to acknowledge the ZIL project. After a similar request from a community member of the ADA project, Vitalik Buterin acknowledged the Cardano project. Mr. Buterin also stated that both the Ethereum and Zilliqa projects have room to grow and prosper in the long run when questioned if they can coexist in the long run. The exchange is captured in the screenshot below. The Zilliqa team launched ZIL, the project's breakthrough tipping bot, on the Telegram messaging platform in late April. For Zilliqa, the tipping bot has opened up a world of limitless possibilities since it now gives Telegram's 400 million users rapid access to ZIL. In addition, the team started a trial Twitter campaign on SocialPay in early May this year, rewarding Twitter users for posting Zilliqa updates or announcements on the social media site. Users only had to link their Twitter accounts to social.zilliqa.com and tweet with the #Zilliqa hashtag. From the 9th to the 11th of May, the campaign was a success, with over 5,297 incentives claimed. At the time of writing, the SocialPay feature was still active. Since the coronavirus crash in mid-March, the price of ZIL has been trending upwards. ZIL hit a local bottom at roughly $0.00225 during the event. The coin is currently selling for 11.45 cents, suggesting a 331% increase in less than 2 months. The price has increased by a factor of 4.311, proving Vitalik Buterin's prediction of Zilliqa's success. Though several currencies have entered the highly sought-after crypto market, Zilliqa, ZIL, an ERC20 token, is the most talked about and highly regarded. Mr. Jinshu Dong, the chief executive officer of Zilliqa, and his team came up with the creative idea of introducing this asset at the start of the year 2017. His vision was backed up by a team of devoted consultants and blockchain algorithm experts that helped bring the Zilliqa cryptocurrency to life. Let's look at the current state of Zilliqa and forecast the price of Zilliqa in the future. Few people were familiar with ZIL currency in 2018, and many people were hesitant to trade in ZIL crypto. The Zilliqa coin has the advantage of being able to transact rates as the network grows, resulting in a massive growth in the number of miners. Zilliqa is the first public blockchain of its sort to use sharding technology. With its sharding method, it can solve the present scalability challenge. Because it can handle a large volume of transactions, Zilliqa can suit enterprise needs. The issue ZIL has solved is the accessibility issues by putting in place a hybrid consensus process, which is supported by a strong and high-bandwidth public blockchain platform. The proof of work (POS) hash is solely responsible for node operation in this situation. Zilliqa's distinctive feature is that it can detect fraudulent or false peer transactions because a validated block may trace the previous block. Zilliqa is built on cryptographic methods that rely on zero-disclosure proof and mathematical coherence of the entire blockchain-enabled transaction, which is cross-checked without revealing any data or messages about the other party in the transaction. As a result, security threats are dealt with first. The credit belongs to Zilliqa's development of the ZIL protocol, which is the backbone of the entire decentralized finance ecosystem, with yet another launch on the way. This protocol has a number of distinguishing features, including ensuring liquidity and ensuring lightning-fast transaction speeds on the network. This distinguishes it from other Ethereum-based decentralized finance protocols, while also establishing a variety of mining opportunities. As a result, it would not be an exaggeration to describe Zilliqa tokens as catalysts for the implementation of smart contracts and the transfer of cash. Furthermore, it has created its own smart contract language, Scylla, via which developers can design secure smart contracts. Zilliqa, ZIL, continues to outperform its competitors despite the price expectations of numerous experts. Despite this, the Zilliqa community has set higher goals for itself. ZIL's market share in the crypto industry will far exceed the expectations of all investors who have found this platform to be incredibly user-friendly. Another significant launch of Zilliqa's token exchange is planned for the near future, which will be backed by a number of exchanges. It is not an exaggeration to say that Zilliqa has reached a high of 3.61 cents, yet this cannot be described as a particularly overblown and euphoric peak. In recent years, the Zilliqa forecast and price prediction chart has genuinely somersaulted, completely changing the trend from the beginning to the conclusion of the year. During the past year, the coin has traveled down memory lane. The ZIL coin has had a highly aggressive trend, leading to a very optimistic path. The coin has the potential to develop in leaps and bounds, especially when it comes to alliances. New partnerships and development would catapult Zilliqa into the spotlight, positioning it as a hotbed for investment and a socially respected cryptocurrency. With each passing second, more transactions will be completed, posing a difficult challenge for crypto competitors. Based on one-year historical data and market cap growth, Zilliqa predicts that the currency will establish its own blockchain platform, moving away from Ethereum, and will soon be listed on the world's major cryptocurrency exchanges. As per the pricing momentum of the previous year and the start of this year, Zilliqa might signal the end of all negative and pessimistic tendencies and the beginning of an era of hopes and promises full of optimism. According to Zilliqa Price Forecast 2021, the coin has had huge growth over the last 3 months and is likely to continue trading on the upward despite occasional price drops. By the end of 2021, Zilliqa's pricing is expected to be around 30 cents. Zilliqa's price has risen to a new all-time high of 21 cents in the last week, according to the current surge. As a result, we can anticipate it crossing the 30-cent threshold by the end of the year. At the same time, the bottom may be around 17 cents, which is a critical support level. As a result, short-term investors or traders might buy Zilliqa on dips, according to the Zilliqa forecast. They can profit handsomely from their investment in this manner. In the year 2022, the Zilliqa price is expected to rise above 32 cents. The price of Zilliqa is anticipated to reach a high of 40 cents and a low of 25 cents. The price of Zilliqa, ZIL, is expected to be approximately 35 cents before the end of the year. In the realm of cryptocurrency, there could be predictions of miracles as well as short-term magic. 5 years is a significant amount of time. According to experts, a pandemic vaccine is on the way, which might herald a boom time for ZIL. Zilliqa's price could skyrocket, possibly approaching its previous all-time high. Expert cryptocurrency investors always plan for the long term. It would not be exaggerating to say that this well-priced cryptocurrency might overcome all barriers and survive the test of time, reaching a high of $1. With fiat currencies struggling to survive in the aftermath of the epidemic, this may be a welcome relief for all investors, sending them along the path of great hopes and desires to transact in Zilliqa. Read the Stockwatch report and keep a tracking forecast of Zilliqa, ZIL, on a regular basis for informational purposes. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level. So all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.